Hello, my name is Mina Kohler, and I'm the Assistant Director for Campus Programming here at LaSalle University. Essentially what that means is that it's my job to make sure that all of the students here have plenty of opportunities to get involved outside of the classroom. And involvement outside the classroom is just as critical as involvement in the classroom. Research has shown time and time again that the students that get involved are the ones that are more successful. And success is not just measured by whether or not you get good grades, but also about whether or not you are developing relationships, whether or not you have the ability to articulate the skills that you're learning, whether or not you get the job that you want once you graduate. So getting involved outside of class is critical. And that means a lot of things, like getting a student job, which yes, we have plenty of student job opportunities on campus, everything from planning programs to helping to work in other offices. But our student events and our student organizations at the Campus Activities Center, those student activities are the backbone of involvement here on this campus. Getting involved on campus in student organizations is really easy. All you have to do is look through our online portal and explore the organizations and reach out to them if you want to get involved. Here in a minute, I'll show you exactly how to find those types of things once you become a student here or if you're currently here on campus. One of the great things too is that we have plenty of events that you can attend. Events you don't have to worry about planning, events that don't cost money, events that nowadays are mostly virtual, but we do in-person programs plenty as well. Events and student orgs are all found in the exact same place. If you go to the portal, which is our main hub for all things student activities, you'll see that there's a list of campus resources that if you click on this tab, it'll show you events calendars, it'll show you where you can click to find student organizations, all kinds of things like that. And one of the key resources for locating student organizations is located right in your tools taskbar. We have a page called Presence. This page is exactly where you would go to find all organizations and all events. If you click on student organizations, you can see all of the organizations that LaSalle has to offer. You can even type in things like Greek, and it'll pull up all of the different Greek organizations here on campus. We want involvement to be easy, and we want it to be fun. Events, we have events that range from painting to pumpkin carving to things that are more like sporting events and things that are about theater. We have glow events and exercise events. You name it, we have it. Getting involved is critical, explorers, and getting involved in a time when it seems like you shouldn't have time to do it, it's even more critical now. And Campus Activities isn't going anywhere. Student Activities is for you. It's available anytime, virtually, and then we're here in person for you as well, as much as we can be. When you join LaSalle's campus, you join a campus that gives you plenty of opportunities to get involved outside of the classroom and plenty of opportunities to have fun, make friends, and learn.